Hello guys, get ready because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Bluetooth not working in Infinix Hot 60. So watch this video carefully and follow every step as I'm showing in video, and don't forget to subscribe the channel. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center, and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. After turn on or off your Bluetooth, then go back and open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the battery option. Now click on it and then click on battery saver. If you turn on your battery saver, then turn it off. After turn off your battery saver, then go back and click on system. In system settings, scroll down and here you can see the option reset phone. Now click on it and then click on reset Wi-Fi settings. It means reset network settings. Now click on it and then click on resets. After do reset network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.